Sit. Well, everybody, it's a sad, sad day in Leo land. I sold my van yesterday, and then I woke up to this. It's snowing. It's been snowing for the last couple days, but it just won't stop. So now I'm on the hunt for another car to go alongside this car. And the Pontiac Lemans. See, it's all covered in snow. This is what Klamath Falls does to poor cars. Boo-hoo, my tags expire this month. Bummer. This is the first chance I've had to get the Kodak, what is it called? Zi6 out here recording in HD. Not quite sure how to upload in HD yet. But this is the first time I've had it outdoors with enough light to maybe get a decent picture. I've seen other people on YouTube post their videos made with this camera and they look a lot sharper than mine does. It's still really early, so there still might not be enough light out here to look good. Come on! Want to see my birdhouse? Oh my god, it's frozen to the ground. Did I just break it? Okay, I'm gonna stop touching it now because I think I just broke it. Yep, still snowing. Why does this have to do this, Klamath Falls? Why? I need to move back to sunny California, I think. You tired yet?